It's been a roller coaster of a ride for IonQ and other quantum computing stocks. This is the daily chart, and as you can see, price hit a high of roughly $56 before collapsing roughly 50% in the last week. This was primarily due to comments that Jensen Huang made at the CES conference in Las Vegas. However, as you can see from the daily chart, price is bouncing back as a result of the CEO of IonQ making comments about their updates. So let's get into the news and then we'll get back into the charts. So shares of IonQ climbed 8% after the company's CEO Peter Chapman provided an optimistic update on the timeline for delivering quantum computing value, contrasting what recent industry skepticisms. So Jensen Huang said quantum computing real-world applications isn't present and won't be present for the next 15 years. Nevertheless, the rise in IonQ's stock price comes on the heels of a decline in quantum computing stocks this week, spurred by comments from Nvidia Jensen Huang, who suggested that practical applications for the quantum technology might be 2 decades away. In response, Chapman outlined the current and future capabilities of IonQ's quantum systems, emphasizing their potential to solve pressing problems that are currently beyond the reach of classical computing hardware. Chapman goes on to mention that IonQ's leadership in quantum networking, a market he considers to be as substantial as quantum computing itself. He touched on IonQ's track record of meeting technical and commercial milestones and projected strong results for 2024, aligning with the upper end of the company's booking and revenues. All right. So let's just zoom out to the monthly chart, just so you can see where price has come from. Anybody that got in on this pullback to this monthly buy level, congratulations. You're up very, very handsomely. As price moved higher, it did form a weekly buy level at $15, but price never pulled back as the momentum to the upside was just too great. Again, you did have most recent all-time highs established back in December of 2021 near that $36 level. That was eventually taken out in the last 2 months. However, a pullback was inevitable as price just got way ahead of itself. Now, I do want to bring your attention to this daily buy level, and that was formed from this rally in price, this basing candle, and then the rally out. It was good for once, for twice, and a third touch. So for the bulls, good news. Price ended the week off the lows. But anybody that got near the highs, I'm sorry. Price was overextended, and if you know how to read divergence, as price was making higher highs, this momentum indicator, the RSI, was making lower highs. Kind of told you that, and pullback was inevitable. Nevertheless, if you believe in the technology longer term, it's not a bad opportunity to buy some shares on this 50% pullback. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Like the video.